everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to my daily vlog. In this video, I am telling you girls will learn to drive motivation. It's all about how to drive a car for ladies and people mindset. How to drive a car in city, crowd, rush. In this video, I am driving Toyota Raize, that is very easy and smooth car for girls. Toyota Raize is Japanese variation and it's 1000cc car and easiest how to control in all situations for girls. So guys, lady driver are often considered as not so good driver. So I thought why not I should have a car driving motivation by a girl. So guys, ladies driver are often considered as not so good drivers. So I thought why not I should have a car driving motivation by a girl. I should have a car driving motivation by girls. Every woman, every females, I hope you will like my driving videos for girls and motivation for driving. I made an effort to change the myth of girl driving. So you guys stay with me and follow my all videos and subscribe my new channel.